Hello everyone. So we discussed about beta function and its transformation equation in detail, and now in this video we can do some problems relating to this beta function. Okay, so the first problem is evaluate integral 0 to 1 x to the power 4 into 1 minus x to the power 3 dx. So we can solve this integral using the beta function. We know beta m comma n is equal to 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. Okay, so comparing this equation, the power of x, that is m minus 1, is equal to 4. So here m equal to 4 plus 1, that is 5, and the power of 1 minus x, that is 3, equal to n minus 1. So here n equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4. Okay, so we got m and n. So this integral can be written as, so this is this integral, we can write it as I. This is equal to beta of 5 comma 4. So beta m comma n is also is equal to m minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial divided by m plus n minus 1 factorial. So we can write it as 5 minus 1 factorial, that is 4 factorial, into n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3 factorial, divided by m plus n, that is 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, minus 1, that is 8 factorial. Okay, so here 4 factorial will cancel, because in denominator there is 8 factorial. Okay, so we got this will cancel, and 2 and 6, there is, we will get 2, and this is equal to 5 into 7 into 8, that is 1 by 280. This is the result. So please practice more problems. So please practice this problem with your pen. Then only you can improve your problem solving skill. Okay. So next question, evaluate beta of 1 comma 1. That is beta is equal to 0 to 1 x to the power, here m equal to 1 and n equal to 1. So x to the power 1 m minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, and 1 minus x to the power, here also n is equal to 1, so 1 minus 1 dx. Okay, so this is equal to 0 to 1. This is 1 minus 1, 0, that is equal to 1, and this is also equal to 1. So this is 1 dx, that is x into 0 to 1, that is 1. Okay, so or otherwise you can do like this, gamma of m minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial divided by m plus n minus 1 factorial, that is m minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, that is here also 1 minus 1 factorial divided by m plus n minus 1, that is 1 plus 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 factorial. We know 0 factorial is equal to 1, that is 1 divided by 1. Okay. This is a simple problem, but this problem help to memorize this beta function. Okay. So next question is find integral 0 to 1 root of 1 minus x divided by x dx. Okay. So please do this problem yourself. After that, watch my video. Okay. Then only you can improve your problem solving skill. That will help in your examination. So how to solve this integral? Here we can write this integral I is like this 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1. Here root, that means 1 by 2. So we can write this as 1 minus x divided by x power 1 by 2 dx. That is, this equal to 0 to 1. Here x to the power, when this x go up, this power become minus 1 by 2 and 1 minus x to the power 1 by 2 dx. So, but beta function, in beta function there is term of m minus 1 and n minus 1. That is, here 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So, or 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So, we can rearrange this power 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1, x to the power minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 minus 1, and 1 minus x, that is, here also power is 1 by 2. So, we can write 1 minus 1 by 2 dx. So, now this is a form of beta function, that is m minus 1 and n minus 1. Here we can write m equal to, here m equal to 1 by 2 and here n equal to, sorry, this is not in form of n minus 1. Sorry. So, here actually 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1. That is 1 by 2. Okay. So, this power is 3 by 2 minus 1. So, here n equal to 3 by 2. So, this is equal to beta of m comma n, that is 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. And we will study the gamma function in detail. Next video we will take the gamma function. So actually gamma of n we can write as a n minus 1 factorial. If this is n, then in terms of factorial, that is, there is reduced by 1, n minus 1 factorial. Okay. For example, gamma of 2 is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 factorial. Of gamma of 3 by 2, this is equal to, that is n minus 1 factorial. That is 3 by 2, we can write it as a 5 by 2 minus 1. Sorry, n minus 1 factorial, that is gamma of 3 by 2 means n minus 1, that is 3 by 2 minus 1 factorial. 3 by 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2. Okay. We will discuss this gamma function in later. That is in next video. Okay. So, here gamma of 1 by 2 is equal to root pi. Gamma of 1 by 2 is equal to root pi. and beta is connected to gamma, that is beta is equal to gamma m into gamma n divided by gamma of m plus n. So by using this we can write this integral as beta of m comma n, that is gamma of 1 by 2 into gamma of 3 by 2 divided by gamma of m plus n, that is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2. Okay, so gamma of 1 by 2, and we can write gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. This is another equation. Okay, we will explain in detail. Okay, and that is gamma of 1 by 2 plus 1, that is n equal to 1 by 2 gamma of n, that is 1 by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1, that is gamma of 3 by 2 is equal to, we can write it as a 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2. So using this result, we can write gamma of 3 by 2 is into 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2. Okay. And here gamma of 5 by 2, that is we can write gamma of 3 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. So this is also in form of n plus 1, that is equal to n gamma n, that is n is 3 by 2 gamma of 3 by 2. But here gamma of this, so here this is m plus n, so this is sorry, so this is gamma m plus n, that is here m equal to 1 by 2 and n equal to 3 by 2, that is gamma of m plus n, that is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 2. Okay, so here is actually gamma of 2. Okay, not 5 by 2. Okay, I made a mistake, sorry. So this is actually gamma of 2. Okay, so this equal to we know gamma of 1 by 2 is equal to root pi, that is root pi into, and gamma of 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2 divided by gamma of 2, that is gamma of n is equal to n minus 1 factorial, that is 2 minus 1 factorial, 2 minus 1 1 factorial. Okay, so here also gamma of 1 by 2, that is root pi. So this is equal to root pi into 1 by 2 into root pi, that is 1 by 2 into pi, that is pi by 2, pi by 2. Okay. So next question is integral 0 to 1 x square 1 minus x to the power 2024. Okay. So how to evaluate this integral using beta function? So here m minus 1 is equal to 2 and n minus 1 is equal to the power of 1 minus x, that is 2024. That is m equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3, and n equal to 2025 from this. So we got m and n. Okay. So this is equal to, this integral I is equal to beta of m equal to 3 and n equal to 2025. So this is equal to gamma of m, that is gamma of 3 into gamma of n, that is 2025 divided by gamma of m plus n, that is 2025 plus 3, that is 2028. This also equal to m minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial divided by m plus n minus 1 factorial. That is 3 minus 1, 2 factorial, and 2025 minus 1, that is 2024 factorial divided by m plus n, that is 2025 plus 3, that is 2028 minus 1, that is 2027 factorial. This is equal to 1 into 2, and 2024 factorial means 1 into 2 into etc. 2024 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into etc. 2027. 27, that is 2024 will cancel, and the remaining term is equal to 2 divided by 2025 into 2026 into 2027. So this is equal to 2 by 2025 into 2026 into 2027. Okay. Next question is integral 0 to 1 x to the power m into 1 minus x to the power n dx. Here m minus 1, here m is equal to m plus 1 minus 1 is equal to m. So here in m minus 1 form, so here m is equal to m plus 1, and n plus 1 minus 1 is equal to n, that is here n is transformed into n plus 1. So this integral we can write as a beta of m plus 1 comma n plus 1. So that is equal to gamma of m plus 1 into gamma of n plus 1 divided by gamma of m plus n, m plus 1 and n plus 1. So this is 2. So evaluate this integral 0 to 1 x to the power 4 1 minus x to the power 3 dx. Here m minus 1 is equal to 4 and n minus 1 equal to 3. That is m equal to 5 and n equal to 4. So this integral we can write it as a beta of 5 comma 4, that is m minus 1 factorial, that is 5 minus 1 4 factorial into, here n is equal to 4, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3 factorial divided by m plus n minus 1 factorial, that is 5 plus 4 9, 9 minus 1, that is 8 factorial. This equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 divided by 1 into 2 into etc. That is 4 will cancel, up to 4 will cancel, and into 1 into 2 into 3. So remaining is up to 4 will cancel, that is in denominator there is 5 into 6 into 7 into 8, that is 8 factorial into 1 into 2 into 3. So here 3 and 6 will cancel, here 2 and this 2 will cancel, and this is 1 by 5 into 7 into 8, that is 1 by 280. Okay. So next question is 0 to pi by 2 sine cube theta, that is, and into cos square theta d theta. That is, here this is a transformation equation of beta. That is beta m comma n is equal to 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sine 2m minus 1 theta, sine power 2m minus 1 theta, and cos to the power 2n minus 1 theta d theta. This is a transformation equation of beta function. So comparing this equation, we can write 2m minus 1 is equal to 3 and 2n minus 1 equal to 2. Then we will get m and n. From this here, so here m equal to 2 and n equal to 3 by 2. So this integral is I is equal to, this is beta of 2 comma 3 by 2, that is gamma of 2 into gamma of 3 by 2 divided by gamma of m plus n, that is 3 by 2 plus 2, that is 7 by 2. Okay, so this is 7 by 2. This is gamma of 2. Gamma of 2 is 2 minus 1 factorial, that is 1 factorial. And gamma of 3 by 2 means gamma of n plus 1 is n gamma n. In this format, we can write this is 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2. That is gamma of 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to gamma of 3 by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2. And gamma of 1 by 2 is equal to root pi. We know that gamma of 1 by 2 is equal to root pi. So this is equal to root pi divided by gamma of 7 by 2. That is, we can write it as 5 by 2 into gamma of 5 by 2. Or this also is equal to 1 by 2 root pi 5 by 2 into this gamma of 5 by 2 is also written as 3 by 2 gamma of 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2 into this gamma of 3 by 2 also can be written as 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2. So this is equal to root pi divided by 2. Here 5 into 5 into 3 into gamma of 1 by 2, that is root pi, and these 2 will come up, that is 2 into 2 into 2. So this 2 will cancel, and this root pi will cancel, and this is 2 into 2, that is 4 divided by 5 into 3, that is 15. But here is beta, the format of beta is 2 into, but in this question there is no 2. So this integral I is equal to beta of 2 comma 3 by 2 divided by 2. That is the integral. There is no 2 in question. So this answer, that is 4 by 15 into 1 by 2 is the answer. So this is the question. Okay. So this is actually beta of by 2. Okay. If there is a 2, then answer is equal to 4 by 15, that is beta of m comma n. But here there is no 2, so we will divide by 2. Okay. So okay, thank you all.